Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Oakley Thinlink Replacement Lenses is probably one of the most essential upgrades you can make to your favorite pair of sunglasses, ensuring crystal clear vision and protecting your eyes from harmful UV rays while maintaining the original style and fit of your Oakley Thinlink frames. These lenses are engineered with advanced optical technology to provide unparalleled clarity, impact resistance, and polarization options, making them a superior choice for athletes, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who demands the best performance from their eyewear, ultimately enhancing your visual experience and prolonging the life of your cherished sunglasses. Number 5. Oakley Thinlink 009316 009317 Replacement Lenses. Upgrade your Oakley Thinlink sunglasses with our premium galvanic replacement lenses. Experience enhanced clarity and durability for your eyewear. Designed specifically for Oakley Thinlink 009316 and 009317 models, these lenses ensure a seamless fit. Enjoy a perfect match for your Asian Fit AF sunglasses. Choose from a variety of options to suit your style and needs. We offer multiple choices to personalize your sunglasses. Don't let worn-out lenses compromise your vision. Our replacement lenses will restore the clarity and performance of your favorite shades. Crafted with precision, these lenses provide exceptional optical quality. Invest in quality that lasts and see the difference. What we like. These lenses offer an Asian fit option, ensuring a better fit for many. With multiple choices available, you can find the perfect match for your style and needs. If you have a wider face or need a more secure fit, consider these. What people say. Great fit, looks like the original lenses. We're super easy to install. Way clearer than the prism lens that come with the glasses. Fits perfect to the frame as well. This is better than buying a whole new pair. Highly recommend. Number 4. Oakley Thinlink 009316 Sunglass Replacement Lenses. Is your favorite pair of Oakley Thinlink sunglasses scratched or damaged? We offer high-quality replacement lenses to bring them back to life. Experience unparalleled clarity and protection with our premium replacement lenses. They are designed to fit your Oakley Thinlink perfectly, ensuring a seamless look and feel. Crafted for resilience, these lenses are built to withstand daily wear and tear. Enjoy lasting performance and protection for your eyes. Choose from a variety of options to suit your style and needs. Find the perfect match to refresh your Oakley Thinlink sunglasses. Replacing your lenses is simple and straightforward. You'll have your sunglasses looking and performing like new in no time. What we like. Experience superior glare reduction with these polarized lenses. They are designed to cut down on distracting reflections, enhancing clarity. If you spend a lot of time near water or on the road, these are an excellent choice for improved vision. What people say. The lenses are clear and the color is great. When held up against the original lenses, the size is a tiny bit larger, but they fit into the frames without any issue. They seem to be well made and offer enough shade for sunny days. Perfect fit for the Thinlink frames. Look good, and snap in place very well. Number 3. Mryok Replacement Lenses for Oakley Thinlink 009316. Experience unparalleled clarity with our advanced HD polarized lenses. They are designed to reduce glare and enhance visual definition, making every detail pop. Shield your eyes from harmful ultraviolet rays. These lenses offer complete UV protection, safeguarding your vision against sun damage. Engineered for durability, our lenses are impact resistant. They are built to withstand everyday wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting performance. Designed for a seamless fit, these lenses integrate flawlessly with your Oakley Thinlink sunglasses. Enjoy a secure and comfortable wear every time. Give your favorite sunglasses a new lease on life. These replacement lenses offer an affordable way to refresh your eyewear without compromising on quality. Enjoy enhanced contrast and reduced eye strain thanks to the polarized technology. See the world more vividly and comfortably, even in bright conditions. What we like. Get crystal clear vision with HD polarized lenses that also offer robust UV protection and impact resistance. These are built to last and perform in various conditions. If you need lenses that provide both visual enhancement and protection against the elements and impacts, these are the ones to get. What people say. Pitch perfect, nice clear view through the lens so far, can't fault them. Fit nicely on the frame. Prompt delivery as stated. Number 2. Oakley Thinlink 0093 16-62mm Sunglass Replacement Lenses. Is your favorite pair of sunglasses damaged? Don't throw them away. We offer high-quality replacement lenses designed specifically for your Oakley Thinlink sunglasses. These lenses are crafted to fit your Oakley Thinlink 0093 16-62mm frames precisely. Enjoy a seamless fit that restores the original look and feel of your eyewear. Experience unparalleled clarity with our premium replacement lenses. They are engineered to provide sharp, distortion-free vision, enhancing your outdoor experience. Our lenses are built to last, offering excellent durability and protection. They are resistant to scratches and impacts, keeping your eyes safe in various conditions. Replacing your lenses is a breeze. You can easily install these new lenses yourself without any special tools, getting you back to enjoying the sun in no time. Give your Oakley Thinlink sunglasses a new lease on life. With these fresh lenses, you can revitalize your style and continue to wear your beloved shades with pride. What we like. These lenses are specifically designed for the 62mm Thinlink sunglass, ensuring a precise fit. They offer a standard, reliable replacement option. If you know your exact sunglass size and want a straightforward, perfectly fitting replacement, these are ideal. What people say. The lenses are a perfect fit for the Oakley Thinlink frames. The clarity of the lenses is excellent, providing a sharp and clear vision. The lenses offer great protection against UV rays, keeping your eyes safe from sun damage. Number 1. Revant Replacement Lenses for Oakley Thinlink 0093 16. Upgrade your Oakley Thinlink sunglasses with Revant's premium replacement lenses. Experience clarity and durability like never before. Our lenses are engineered for exceptional optical clarity, ensuring you see the world in vivid detail. Enjoy a sharper, more vibrant view. Built to last, these lenses offer superior impact resistance and protection against scratches. Keep your eyewear looking its best, always. Designed specifically for the Oakley Thinlink 0093 16 frame, they ensure a seamless and secure fit. Enjoy a hassle-free installation. Give your favorite sunglasses a new lease on life with Revant's high-quality replacements. Rediscover the joy of wearing them again. Available in a variety of tints and coatings to match your style and needs. Personalize your look and enhance your performance. What we like. Choose these lenses for a trusted brand known for quality replacements. They are engineered for durability and performance. If you prioritize a reliable brand and are looking for a dependable upgrade to your existing sunglasses, this is a solid option. What people say. The lenses fit perfectly into my Oakley Thinlink frames. The clarity of these replacement lenses is excellent, making a significant difference in vision. They are very durable and have held up well to daily wear and tear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.